Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set your default browser on Samsung Galaxy. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to Settings, and then once we're here, we scroll all the way down until we see Apps. It should be right here, and then we tap on Apps, and then once we're here, we tap on Choose Default Apps. And then we should see the browser app right here. We tap on that, and then we are given a list of choices based on the browser apps that we've downloaded. So mine is set to Google Chrome. However, you can choose yours to be anything that you like. So for example, you'd like it to be Samsung Internet, you just tap on that and you can just go to back, and then that's saved. However, if you want to change it, you just go back here, change it to Chrome or any other browser that you'd like. So for example, Brave or any other browser that you want, and this is how you do it. And that is it. That is how you change your default browser on Samsung Galaxy. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.